Here's Sandra's story about getting rid of her belly fat. I will read her emailed story. Just sit and listen. Hello, hello, my fellow dieters. I'm telling you right now what I did to lose weight. You can do too. If you are over 50, over 55, or even over 60, and the scale will not move, you can do the same as I did to lose the belly. I am Sandy B from California. I am 69 years old, and I lost 37 pounds. Yes, 37 pounds. Slow, calm, no crazy diets, no gym drama. And oh boy, I wish I had known these 5 things at age 55, because these 5 things, they quietly cause weight loss. And stay with me, because my last idea is the big one, the one that changed everything. Now let me tell you a bit about me. At 55, I was busy, tired, hormones all over the place. I ate healthy, or so I thought. Salads, snacks, little treats, and still my weight kept going up. Sound familiar? Let's start. Number 1 change, very important. Stop eating all day, even what are considered healthy foods. Oh yes, this one shocked me. At 55, I was nibbling all day. A cracker here, a handful there, a small cookie, a yogurt, a bite while cooking. I told myself, I'm not eating much. But my body never got a rest. When I stopped eating all day long, my body finally calmed down. My hunger went down. My weight slowly went down too. Ladies, this is big, but the next idea is even more powerful, so stay with me. Number 2 change, super important. Drop the little treats that add up. Oh, honey, the little treats were not little. A square of chocolate, a muffin, a sweet coffee, a bite of cake at church. I called them just a little. But my body said, oh, this is a load. When I cut back on daily treats, not fully gone, just less, the scale started to move, slow, gentle, just like women over 50 need. The next idea is more important for women our age. Number 3 change, very powerful. Eat real meals, not random food now. This one made me laugh at myself. At 55, I did not eat real meals. I picked, I grazed, I ate bits and pieces all day. No real plate, no real plan. Then I changed. I ate simple meals. Protein, vegetables, real food. Guess what happened? Less cravings, less snacking, more control. And ladies, this matters more after menopause. Our bodies love calm, simple meals, but stay right here, because the next idea is sneaky and very important. Number 4 change, extremely important. Stop being so tired all the time. Oh yes, this one is real life. At 55, I was tired, so tired. And tired women eat more. It is true. When I was tired, I wanted sugar. I've bread, snacks, easy food. So I did one simple thing. I rested more. I slept better. I stopped pushing myself like I was 35. And wow, my hunger dropped. My mood got better. My weight started to fall. But what is the next and final idea? This is the big one. The one I wish I knew at 55 more than anything. Oh yes, this was my biggest mistake. At 55, I started diets every Monday, then stopped by Thursday, then felt bad, then started again. That cycle made me gain more weight. At 62, I said, no more crazy diets, Sandy. Instead, I chose calm, small changes every day. Not perfect, just steady. Guess what? That is when the 37 pounds came off. Slow, peaceful, real, not fast, not flashy, but it stayed off. So here I am now. Age 69, living in sunny California, walking more, laughing more, wearing smaller clothes, and feeling sassy about it. And I am just like you, a normal woman over 50, not a fitness model, not a diet expert, just a woman who got tired of fighting her body. If you remember one thing today, remember this: weight loss after 50 is quiet. It is calm. It is steady, not extreme, not stressful, not punishing. And my dear friend, if I could lose 37 pounds after 60, you are not too old. You are not too stuck. And you are definitely not too alone. Sincerely, Sandy. I hope you found Sandy's email worthwhile. Tell me in the comments, are you over 50 and still trying to lose weight? When I look at the comments below this video, I want to see what you have to say. Tell me where you are from, what works for you to lose weight, or are you ready for this? What is keeping you overweight? Throw it all down in the comments. You could subscribe to keep this channel for women over 50, 60, 70, and 80 healthy.
Take care and keep those ounces falling off.